Hello everyone, welcome back to our lesson. And for this one, we are going to talk about lean concrete 50 into ground beam. So let's straight to our detail. So this is the layout of it, and then we need to go to the typical or section of it. So as you can see, below the RC beam at ground floor, we need a lean concrete 50 millimeter thickness. So we come back to our layout, and this one is quite different from another. So in order to get a amount of cubic meter of lean concrete 50 we need the width of the beam, and then we're going to offset it 50 each side, the working area as well, and the height of it is 50 So all we need is the length of the beam and width. So right now we need to find those two data with our tool. So just go to the QS Auto Pro main work, and then you click the second row, input slab thickness. This one we use it for takeoff beam such as RC, basework, the crushed stone, lean concrete. We all use with this tool. Or we can type B2. So we just type B2 and then enter. First of all, we need to input our slab, the thickness of it. So right now we just put 0 first. Later on I will explain you why this tool we need to input the thickness of the slab. So just type 0 first and enter. And right now we go back to our layout. We need to do it based on our design layout. So right now we focus on inside the building first. So we click on the name. As you can see right here, they said please pick object name. So we click on the name of the beam. Make sure the format is the same as I show right here. We got the name GB1 and also the width and the height of the beam. So you just click on it and then pick one first point and the end point. So it will generate the length. Basically it will give us the length of the beam and also the width and the height as well, but this one we're gonna adjust later on. So we're gonna put it the mark back right here, and then we go one by one. As you can see, it's really simple. You just click 2 point and then it generates automatically for us. See, it's really handy. So right now we need to focus inside the building first. As you can see, click here. All you need to do is just click the name and click 2 point. That's it. The name of it, and then see, it's really simple and easy to do. And you can see, let me go with the horizontal first. This video it's a bit long. That's what I'm concerned, because there are a lot of beam in here that I need to show you step by step. And you can see. Okay, here and the horizontal as well. Here as well. Okay. It's really simple. You just click the name and click the starting point and the end point, and it will generate, the total quantity for you, see, of each length of the beam. It's really handy. Okay, so now we all get the horizontal inside the building. So now let's start the vertical one. you click the name and you click the start and end point, but make sure the name is format like this, so our tool will know exactly to generate the quantity for us. So you click the starting point and the end point next to the column. Same here as well. We make sure click it the right place right here and to the column. Yeah, so this is where the beam have. You can see here as well. Click here. Click here as well. And find here as well. Just double click like this. Starting point and end point. See, it's really simple. See, it's really fast. And this one as well. We need to finish the inside the building. Okay. So we got the horizontal and vertical. Okay. So we got now all the beam inside the building. Okay. And now we go for the outside building. And for the outside of the building, we do the same. So we click the name. And we pick 2 points, the length of the beam. Sorry. And here as well. As you can see right here. So we click the name, the length of it. It's really that easy. And the quantity come out really accurate, as you can see. It counts for us one by one. And with this side as well. I'm gonna show you one by one. So you can do exactly how to take out the quantity without missing anything. So this is I have been doing for 7 years as a senior quantity surveyor. Okay, and from here as well. Okay, we got all here and this one as well. Just click the name and the length of it. Okay. Okay. And here as well. Here as well. Short one. Yep. Okay. And here as well. Make sure that you check all the beam on the layout. Make sure you're not missing anything. Okay. And inside here as well. just click starting point and the end point of the beam. See, it's really simple. You don't have to do a manual work anymore between Excel and AutoCAD. Okay, we got spell with this side. Okay, we got it as well. So right now we move. Okay, we got along here as well. Okay, and here. All right, perfect. So this is inside the house. We have done it, and at the front, SOG slab also have the beam. So we need to do with this one as well. That goes through one by one. I think this one is a bit long, but I just want you to see everything. Yeah, let me take it. This one as well. Okay. Let's take full of it. Okay. And I need to insert the row right here. Because, yeah. Okay, put back our map and click the name again. The same thing. Yep. And here, around our slab. Okay. Okay. Right here as well. Let me take full length of it. And here. Okay. One right here. Right here as well. Okay, so we got all the beam for our main trend, the SOG slab. So right now we got all the length of the beam with the width. So right now get back to our Excel. So this is all the data that we have. Oh, this one is duplicated. Let me remove it. Okay. We don't want double. Okay, perfect. So right now after we done it, we need to double check, make sure that the beam that we just take off is the right one. So you just click find the item in AutoCAD. As you can see, it marked for us like the beam that it have linen concrete below it, as you can see, and check it one by one, make sure you're not missing anything. If you miss anything, you just do it again, basically add on the node of us, the quantity that we just created. It's really that simple. See, I don't think we miss anything. Yeah, we count all in, and you can see even the front one. So yes, all done with our length. So right now we need to adjust the height of it, the thickness right here. So the length concrete that we want is only 50 millimeter. So we just change it the height right here, because this one is the height of the beam. As you can see, the GB1 200 times 400 millimeter. So we got the length of the beam, width of the beam, and height of the beam. But this one it's full in concrete, so we don't want the height of the beam. So change it to 0.05. The thickness of it is 50 millimeter. And you just copy to the all the beam. And then for the perimeter, this one is critical because As you can see, the link concrete is outside 50 millimeter from the beam, the width of the beam. As you can see, here is the width of the beam, and then you need to offset 50 millimeter from each side. So you take the width and slash the 0.05 slash another side 0.05. Basically, you need 100 millimeter for each side, and then you click enter. So the width of the beam is 200 millimeter slash 50 each side, and it will become 300 millimeter. So now all you need to do is just put one right here, and then you take one time based on our format. We take the length of the beam times the width, sorry, again, we take length of the beam. We are not take the 200 millimeter because this one not included the offset 50 millimeter each side. So we take our parameter is 300 millimeter, include with a offset area of the concrete below our beam, and then time the thickness of it is 50 millimeter, and time the one, then we need for the west stack later on, and then enter, and we will get the quantity for cubic meter of link concrete below the beam. So all we need to do now is just copy this and just for all the beam. As you can see, now we got all the beam, and we just subtotal it 9, meaning we need to total it. And you can see, so okay, let me copy and put it down here and delete this one. Okay, so the total of it is 3.57 of link concrete 50 millimeter to our crown beam. So right now we got the quantity, and we also can double check on it again by select all of it and then click find item in AutoCAD. Boom. So we got all the area of the beam that we need the link concrete below it. The thickness is 50 millimeter and outside 50 millimeter each side. So this is the end for our lesson, and for next one we are going to talk about the link concrete for the ground slab. And thank you for watching.